Everybody, and welcome to my channel, Dr. Han, Dr. Beauty, London. What cause of bone loss, of face bone loss, and how to restore? First of all, the missing teeth. When you have many missing teeth, your teeth help to maintain the natural height and thickness of the jaw and bone. So if you have missing teeth, you are going to have bone loss and give you much aging than your real age. The second is when you have a periodontal disease, any periodontal disease or any trauma. So that may cause bone loss, especially in the jaw or mandible bone loss. The third, if you have medical condition such as diabetes, especially diabetic type 1 or type 2, and please check your have low vitamin D or decrease in calcium. Please check it, and then you have to take calcium or vitamin D, or I prefer to go for a healthy food with calcium rich, like tuna, like fish, like mushrooms, like eggs, like yogurt and milk. Food contains calcium. This helps you raise calcium or vitamin D in your body and get a much thicker and healthy bone, avoiding osteoporosis. You have missing teeth, so you are going to the doctor, the dentist, dental clinic, and ask them for a partial removable denture. It's much affordable price and easy. As you see this patient wearing a removable partial denture, maybe she can afford the implant, although I prefer first thing to do teeth or tooth implant. But on the other hand, if you don't have money to do implant, you can go for removable teeth or removable partial denture. It costs it doesn't cost too much money, and it's affordable. Like that guy, he wears a removable one tooth. Here is the ideal replacement of teeth if you have missing teeth, and one of the most favorable is to do implant in the bone, like the video I posted. That's how to do implant in the dental clinic by do it. It's very simple, and implantologist can do it in short time, and you don't feel any pain at a dental clinic. So we have many options to restore the teeth, because if you don't restore the missing teeth, you're gonna lose your bone and have a bone loss in the mandible, and you get aged very fast. Okay, so now if I want to talk how to restore bone loss by laser, there is a new technique of using laser and stimulation of the osteoblast and stimulation of bone cells to become more condensed, and to restore a bone. And I'll posted you how to use or the laser application and stimulation of bone growth, and how it did its amazing technique and amazing way to restore the bone get lost when the teeth is extracted. If you have paroxysm or teeth clenching, don't leave your situation like that, like with paroxysm and clenching, because that will lead to teeth loss and bone loss either. So when you have paroxysm and clenching, you can go to the dental clinic and ask for a night guard. You can wear it during the night the night guard. Night guard is made from the special material which can protect your teeth, lowering the occlusion stress on the teeth, especially during at night, and this will help to restore the teeth and bone in its place. Another advice to you: when you are eating, you can eat with the right and left arches, not go to eat with just right side without using the left side. No, you eat the food with right and left side.